Hey, what's going on? This is the Urban Soul Shelf, and today, something special for you. Sweet Tea-Brined chicken breast strips. All right, we're gonna start off by brining our chicken breast strips that we've pre-cut, and put in the sweet tea. Make it like you would regular sweet tea, and we have 2 eggs here. And right here we have our mixture of flour and our seasonings. You can check the description and get the seasonings that I included for this. Or you can just make your own seasoning, put it in the flour and set it aside. That looks good all by itself. All right, take the egg, the 2 eggs, and beat it, Just beat it, scramble it till it's scrambled good. Yeah, scramble it good. And pour a little water in here. This is going to be our egg wash. So we're going to pour some water in there, just enough to dilute it, where it's not as eggy, but a little water in there makes a better wash. Look at that, that looks delicious. All right, we have our chicken breast strips that have been marinating in the sweet tea, so it has a little sweetness to it. We're gonna wash it in the egg wash. Look at that. Those chicken breasts look good. I marinated them for about 3 hours. And you can marinate them for 12 hours. All right, take it, mix it around, as you know, in the flour mixture, and we're going to drop it, which I've already dropped it in the grease for frying. Beautiful, beautiful. As I said, you can marinate it for 3 hours, 12 hours, even 24 hours in the sweet tea mixture. The longer you marinate it, the more the flavor gets in. Voila, look out there now. This is what it looks like once you complete the frying process. That looks delicious. I'm not able to eat it on camera because I'm doing all the videoing myself, but if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. And if you like what you saw, this simple recipe, hit that like button.